Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
When you think about setting the table out on your patio, you may think you have to sacrifice style, but you don't if you get these amazing Abby 20-ounce tumblers in the Twinkly pattern. They are stackable, dishwasher safe, and they are glorious when you have them in the sun. They sparkle so much, you could swear they are glass or crystal, but they are that shatterproof plastic, which makes them so durable and so versatile, especially for garden parties, sitting by the pool, whether you want to have a lemonade or you want to make a cocktail. These 20-ounce tumblers will not disappoint. Now you get 8 in the set, which is plenty for me. We use them right in the pool because of that shatterproof plastic, and being dishwasher safe makes them great for parties. Last thing you have to worry about is washing something by hand. Everyone loves them. You can make so many different beverages in these, and even if it's not summertime, they are perfect for inside because they just are so sparkly on my dining room table. That twinkly pattern is a showstopper, and I am wildly enthusiastic about sharing these with my guests because they really show off any drink you serve. So whether you want to wow your friends with your craft cocktail talent, or whether you just want to have a beautiful tumbler to have a glass of lemonade or iced tea by the pool or patio, these are going to be your go-to tumblers. These are from amazing Abby, and they never disappoint. They wash easily, they stack so they don't take up a ton of room, and they just sparkle and shine, so they are perfect for any table or occasion.
And that is my point of view.